I think the thing that also is really fascinating is that by seeing the way the trial could come out, then you get people together and they're like, gosh, we need to do something a little different. When you say statisticians are the barrier, you're also working with, hey, the guidelines say cool everybody for 24 hours. So to some degree, you could say, yeah, let's look from 96 to 0 from a statistical perspective. The most efficient way to do that is you're going to start putting people on both ends to sort of see, is this possibly flat, or maybe there's going to be an upslope in the middle, but kind of go into the ends and fill in. But since those are far from what was guideline recommended at the time, the human constraint on the model was like, we do have to do it this way because it's not ethical to all of a sudden cool people for 96 hours. People who are in ICUs, if they start to wake up, you're going to want to let them wake up. If it's only 6 hours of cooling, the guidelines say 24. Patients are going to be like, why are you putting my family member in such a small duration? So we did have this constraint because there was real recommendations for practice. I think in retrospect, sometimes people say, well, why didn't you just evenly distribute them across 10 arms? And based on what we knew about the science at the time we were coming up with the design and starting the trial, that wouldn't have been ethical.